This is Mango Chocolate Truffles Part 2. Agir relay we let the custard balls to freeze for a day. Now we are gonna melt the chocolate. First কিছুটা chocolate আমি double boiler এ melt করে নিচ্ছি and then কিছুটা add করছি. This makes all the differences. Shiny and snappy chocolate shell rather than a crumbly coat. Now the fun part. Dipping the balls in chocolate. This is pure therapy if you ask me. See the shine? It sets almost instantly. Okay, I'm going a little extra. I'm second coating korbo white chocolate. You don't have to if you don't want the drama. Fun fact, truffle is a fungus that grows underground in wild. A dessert truffle a lumpy, bumpy shape and size ki imitate kore, so that's why the name truffle. I had a lot of fun making this actually. Tomra bolo, what fruit should I try next? যদি কোনো crazy idea থাকে অবশ্যই কমেন্টে জানিও. Watch the truffles magically appear on my serving plate. Lol. The last step is to drizzle some chocolate over the truffle balls. Look at these cuties. Aren't they cute? অবশ্যই জানিও কেমন লাগলো and I hope তোমাদের পছন্দ হবে. Next দেখা হবে পরের রিলে. Bye.